Welcome back to today's video on spark plugs. This is exactly what a brand new spark plug looks like. It's nice and shiny, ready to do its part, helping the engine generate power. First off, what exactly does it do? How does it work? Fuel goes into the cylinder. The spark plug ignites it by receiving an electrical impulse from the ignition coil. And there's a spark plug for each cylinder of the engine in your car. Now, it doesn't take long for that sparkling plug to look beat up and wear down from constant use. Over time, build up deposits, burn contaminants, and tips literally wear away. This results in a less efficient firing process, which can reduce fuel economy and in some cases lead to a dreaded misfire. Now, technology can help you identify whether you have an engine misfire. Devices like Hum or fixed OBD reader can instantly send issues to your phone. Many local auto parts stores stock inexpensive code readers and may even be willing to pull the codes for you. Generally, an engine misfire will be a P030 and like 1 through 8 depending on which cylinder is having problems. You have a P0300, that's a random misfire, and that's going to take more diagnostic work to determine exactly why the engine is throwing that code. Now, different manufacturers have varied replacement schedules, but generally it's a good idea to replace them every 60 to 90,000 miles for optimal performance. If you get a misfire and the check engine light has come on, you may need to replace the ignition coils, which sit on the spark plugs, and or perform a fuel injection cleaning service. On many smaller vehicles, replacing the spark plugs can be a do-it-yourself project. It takes about an hour to do. However, on larger engine vehicles or cars where the spark plugs are positioned underneath the intake manifold, it can require replacing gaskets, more disassembly than you may want to take on in your garage. If that's the case, come on by. We're happy to help out, and we can check the rest of the system to verify how the fuel injectors or the ignition coils or just the system overall is performing to make sure that you have the best running vehicle. So if you found this vehicle helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more informative videos, and thank you for watching.